Bollywood films, the gay characters in them too are far from real. The mainstream movies invariably show a caricature in the name of LGBT or homosexual character, and the audience too expect their characters to bring some comic relief. The alternate cinema or serious movies have given the characters as much respect as the normal lead roles. Here is a look at how our movies have treated these characters over the years. Probably the first director to tread the path was Deepa Mehta when she made a film much ahead of its time. Loosely based on Ismat Chughtai's 1941 story Lihaf, Fire was a story of love and passion that grows between two married women in a suffocating household. It came under huge criticism from various political groups when it was released. A wise man once said, the only time you actually live entirely is from 30 to 60. In spite of this, some people dread aging, or in this case turning 30. Why does turning 30 give people, more particularly women, nightmares? Maybe it has to do with perceived frightful things that come with that age. Amrita Arora and Isha Kopikar scorched the screen with their steamy performance in the movie as lesbian lovers. Isha, who plays Tanya in the movie, is a possessive lover who's in a relationship with Amrita, who portrays Sapna. On the other hand, Sapna is only pretending to be a lesbian but is actually seeing Ashish Chaudhary, who plays Rahul. In the first gay movie to win a national award, one of the 4 stories, Omar sees Jay from Bangalore, Rahul Bose, who meets Omar, a struggling actor, Arjun Mathur, in Mumbai. They flirt and have dinner together and then have sex at a public place. This gay film, touted as Bollywood's answer to Brokeback Mountain, traced the life of a gay model who is forced to compromise on his morals for his career. In due course of the film, he develops an intimate relationship with another man who is already married and lives with his family. Obviously, it was not expected to come to market without controversy. A milestone not only for marking 100 years of Indian cinema, it is also one of the few mainstream films to have shown a gay love. This short movie by director Karan Johar features a kiss between a young man and his best friend's husband as a part of an exploration of marital discord and sexual identity. Close on the heels of Fashion came another film starring Priyanka Chopra along with John Abraham and Abhishek Bachchan, who pretended to be gay. Watch it, because produced by Abana, which was once synonymous with fluttering saris on the Swiss Alps, this was one of the first films to have 2 of Bollywood's biggest stars play wannabe gay characters. Let's not discuss Madhur Bhandarkar's creativity and storytelling skills, or the lack of that here. Instead, let's look at the gay fashion designer played by Sameer Soni, who eventually settles for a marriage of convenience to please society and all, with a college buddy played by Mugdha Godse. Watch it, because it offers an almost real peek into the highs and lows of the fashion business. Actors Saif Ali Khan and Shah Rukh Khan in suggestive contortions, while the maid seems to suffer convulsions with the Kanta Ben track playing. We don't know if it's supposed to allude to homoeroticism or plain homophobia. Watch it if you're a fan of candy floss tear-jerkers with happily ever after endings. Enjoy! Straight is an Indian film starring Gul Panag and Vinay Pathak in the lead roles. It is directed by Parvati Balagopalan and produced by iDream Productions. The film, that marks the debut of a new actor named Anuj, who plays a part in the love triangle, also features Rasik Dave, Siddharth Makkar, Damandeep Singh and Ketki Dave in supporting roles.